Hey, it's Doug with Backcountry Pilgrim. I want to talk to you today about the TCEK chair. I've already done a chair video and I concluded that my personal budget chair was better than the ultralight chairs that I was checking out, at least in key areas that were important to me, like comfort and stability. There are a few things that really set this chair apart from many other camp chairs that I have seen. One of them, and the most obvious I think, is the ease of setup. Unlike most chairs, there is basically no construction involved in setting up this chair. All you need to do is take it out of the stuff sack, which is actually big enough to be useful after the first time you take it out. You remove the retention strap, and the legs just kind of spring open. Then you just grab the pole on each corner of the chair and pull on it until it locks in place, kind of the way an easy-up shelter operates. One click each for the bottom corners, 2 clicks for the top corners, and your chair is ready. The other thing that really stands out about this TCEK chair is that it is on a swivel. Yes, you can actually get in the chair and then move around into more convenient positions. And I love this because it allowed me to set my backpack where it should go, the chair where it should go, and yet if my view wasn't exactly where I set the chair down, it was very easy to just move around and look at whatever I wanted to look at. I could easily change the scenery or get back around to my backpack to reach things that I needed, and I could do all of that without having to reposition the chair every time. It also has a cool pocket over here on the side. It's big enough for like a standard phone, although with my waterproof case on it, it didn't quite fit. Another thing I like about this chair is how much mesh there is. A lot of air comes through this chair, so when you're sitting on it, you're not sweating out through the bottom or the back. It's also quite wide, and so although my arms could reach around it, I wasn't getting stabbed in the shoulder blades by the poles. I felt very confident leaning back in this chair. It was extremely comfortable. Now I know you backpackers out there are waiting for the catch, and of course you already know what it is. So I'm just going to go ahead and rip the Band-Aid off and tell you that this chair weighs 3.5 pounds. Yeah, 3.5 pounds. It's a heavy chair. My budget chair is about 2 pounds, and the very expensive ultralight ones that I can't stand sitting in come in at around 1 pound. But what I appreciate about the TCEK chair is that you are not trading that weight for nothing. Instead of just getting a slightly more comfortable chair that's a little bit more robust, you're actually getting a chair with numerous features that you cannot find on any ultralight chair. In fact, I haven't found these features on very many regular chairs. So the TCEK chair is giving you strength, it's giving you stability, it's giving you maneuverability, breathability, and really the main penalty is the weight. On a day like today where I'm just out for a day hike and I just want to be able to pull that chair out and snap it together anytime I feel like it, it's been great. Not the kind of thing I'm going to take on a through hike, but for a trip where luxury items are welcome, this is one of the most comfortable and most useful camp chairs I've ever had. I've got links in the description of the video below to get this chair if you would like to have it. Alright, that's it for me. If this video has been helpful to you, would you mind giving it a like and subscribe to Backcountry Pilgrim if you are into hiking, camping, backpacking, and the gear that goes with it. Until next time, as always, thank you for watching.